Hello, everyone. It's Wednesday. So I'm going to be doing the messages a little bit out of order today because I want to share something exciting with you about what's happening with the chrysalides. So number one, I wrote up here, chrysalide update, actually chrysalides. And so I drew a butterfly because one butterfly is out. So what I'm going to try to do is show you right now by turning the camera towards it. I practiced, so I think I can do it. So you can really see what's happening now. The mesh makes it harder to see the butterfly, but you see the chrysalides hanging, and then the butterfly is right down there, and there's some oranges, right, that I put out for him this morning because I got up and I came in here and I saw that the butterfly, one of them was out. Now, what I noticed is that the chrysalides changed color, and so the one that it hatched out of, it had turned really dark. It wasn't that dark before, but it had turned really dark, and I thought maybe it was like not alive anymore, but actually it means that it was about ready to come out. So the other ones are really dark now too, so I think they're going to be coming out really soon too. Yeah, so now I know that when they get dark, that means that they're getting ready to come out. And this butterfly hasn't moved very much because the butterfly needs time to get its wings ready and get used to being outside of the chrysalide before it can go anywhere. Here, let me put this back down. So that means that it needs to have time to get some of the oranges and fresh fruit and the juice from it to get stronger and move around a little bit. And we also have to wait until it's warm enough outside for the butterflies to be able to go. So they're going to stay in the net for at least a few days until it's warm. I think it's supposed to be a little bit cold this week. So I'll make sure that it's warm enough before I let them go. And also, I'm hoping that after I make this video and send it out to all of you, that I'll be able to check on them and get a video of one coming out of a chrysalide. That would be or chrysalis. That would be really, really exciting. And actually, chrysalides is more than one. Chrysalis is one. So let me write a note right there. So I thought, since one came out as a butterfly, we've now seen all the whole thing except for the eggs. But we saw caterpillars, we saw the chrysalides, and now we see the butterfly as best we can. So I thought we could revisit that song I taught you that's from Miss Molly about what happens with the whole metamorphosis. Remember that word? So let's sing that together, and then we'll go to the next message, all right? So remember, it goes like this. First comes a butterfly that lays an egg. Then comes a caterpillar with many legs. See that caterpillar spin and spin. A little chrysalis to sleep in. Oh, 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 look and see. Oh, 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 look and see. Out of the chrysalis, my, oh my, out comes a beautiful butterfly. Just like we saw up there, a beautiful butterfly came out. So I'll keep you updated about that. So number two, yesterday Miss Danielle was updating you about the seed that she planted, and she had an idea that you could make your own flower, and you could make it look all kinds of different ways. She showed you some pictures and talked about the different parts of a flower, and then she gave you the idea of drawing your own. So I'm wondering, did you get a chance to do that? What does it look like? If you wanted to have a picture taken of it and share that with us, we would be really excited to see it. So let us know what you made and how it went and what you thought about it. All right? And then my idea for number 3 of something you can do at home, it's actually in the Ready Rosie link that I sent on Monday of something you can do that's fun at home. And we've actually done a little bit of this in school. We've definitely made something called patterns. So where something like keeps repeating, and actually Miss Danielle gave you that idea with like things that you could make patterns with. My idea today is you could use your body to make patterns, and we can call them movement patterns. So one idea might be that you clap and then pat your knees like this. Clap, pat, clap, pat. You can do it with me. Clap, pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap, pat. You got it. Now we could change it a little bit. In a pattern, you have some different things, and they keep repeating in the same way, and you don't put anything new in it. But we could still make a different pattern. So we could do 2 claps and then a pat, and keep that going. Clap, clap, pat. Clap, clap, pat. Clap, clap, pat. Do it with me. Clap, clap, pat. Clap, clap, pat. Clap, clap, pat. Clap, clap, pat. Yes. Now, another way is you could really, really move your body, which will be a little bit hard for me to show you on a video, but I'm going to try. And so what you do is you could jump, right? That's a fun way to move your body. So you could go jump, and then you could tap your head, right? So we can try it. Jump and pat, or tap. Jump and tap. I'm just going to pretend to jump this time so you can still see me in the video. Jump and tap. Jump and tap. Jump and tap. Jump and tap, right? Jump, tap, jump, tap, jump, tap. Now, I think we can change it and make it a little bit different and trickier. So you could jump, tap, tap, right? Jump, tap, tap. 2 taps. Jump, tap, tap. Jump, tap, tap. One more time. Jump, tap, tap. You did it. Now, is there another pattern, another type of pattern you can think of? Yeah, that's something to think about with your family. What else? Let's think about ways you could move your body. Maybe you could do a jumping jack and jumping, or you could spin around, right? And there are different body parts you could tap. You could tap your shoulders or pat. You could pat your feet. You could stomp your feet. There are all kinds of ways you could move your body to make a pattern and move around and do that with your body. You might even want to use something else to make sounds with and make a pattern, right? So that's my idea for you at home. And there are more ideas on that Ready Rosie website. And if you want, you can sing that butterfly song again. Watch this video and sing the butterfly song. But I will let you know. I hope I get that video and I can share it separately. I'll send it out if I can get it. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. And Miss Danielle will be back with a video. And maybe we'll see you at our Zoom small groups this week, hopefully. All right. Bye, everybody.